Well, we've just come out of our caravan where we're stopping for a week down here in Cornwall near Rock, a place called Porthilly. And we're just going to take a little walk down to the cove, which is where the beach is here on the estuary of the River Camel. 300 yards, if that. Take a little wander down and see what we can see. Like I said, we literally just come out of the site where we're staying, and a couple of 100 yards, and we're down this really nice medieval church. Beautiful little church here, Church of St Michael. Just see behind me there, really impressive looking old medieval cross. And like I said, we're on the banks of the River Camel Estuary here. We're just going to take you around this beautiful little churchyard and show you some of the views. Absolutely stunning down here. Got St Michael's Church there, and behind me you can see the estuary, and you've got Rock, which is a very famous place here in Cornwall. Across the estuary is Padstow, with the ferry running between the two. Here in Rock, for now, we're taking a look at this beautiful church, St Michael's, here on the banks of the River Camel, the Camel Estuary, here in Cornwall. I don't know if you can see there's a few people, there's a lady running there, a few people walking there. You can walk straight across there, and that is Rock. That's how close we are to Rock itself. With stunning views across there. Padstow being across there. Fantastic. Let's go and have a little look, see if we can get inside. Michael's open, it says. Let's come in here to the entrance. St Michael's Church here in Porthilly was once described by the Bishop of Truro as the most beautiful church in the county of Cornwall. Originally built by the Normans, traces of the 12th century building are still evident today. The granite cross we saw earlier outside the church dates from the 5th or 6th century and is known as a cross degraded. Original purpose of these crosses were to mark preaching stations or the boundary of a property. Porthilly was almost certainly on the original pilgrim way from Ireland to Rome via Cornwall. Now you've got the beautiful stained glass in here. What a lovely little church. Carvings on this fantastic looking ceiling. Really nice. And of course a modest but adequate organ. Some of these old timbers, absolutely beautiful. Similar timber used on the pulpit here. Quite impressive. Stand quite an elevated position looking across the flock. You have, yes, I do like it. And this here is just absolutely beautiful. Look at it, that old stone font. You've got, what would that be, copper, lead? Probably lead on the top there. Beautiful. Bit of a closer look at the ceiling there, the roof, the timbers. There's the carvings on there, absolutely stunning. All the way down to that beautiful stained glass window above the altar there. Gorgeous. After exploring inside the church itself, we made sure to check out the beautiful views across the Camel Estuary, which this part of Cornwall is famous for. Well, I hope you've enjoyed that little look there at St Michael's Church, here on the Camel Estuary in Cornwall, near Rock, in Porthilly. We've enjoyed it. Just a little short one today, but worth showing you, I think. And if you have enjoyed it, you know what to do. Give us a thumbs up, drop a comment below, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you somewhere next time. Say goodbye, Kim.
Goodbye, Kim.
Goodbye, Kim.